Hey guys, welcome to my channel Eat. I'm Gayatri. In this video, we'll see an interesting game for young children. We have a robot here and a lot of obstacles. We have to get all the characters here one by one. Yes, we win. Okay, once we get all the characters, we win. Okay, we look at the program now. Log into code.org. For that, search in Google for code.org and you'll be here in this page. Okay, so if you click on create, you do not see Star Wars game here, so click view all projects and then scroll a little down. You can see here view full list, right? Click on that and then scroll a little down. You can see Star Wars blocks here. Select that. Yes, see here we have when run by default, right? Go to events, select when up arrow key. Similarly, go to events, select when up arrow key again. Alternatively, you can do just Control C and Control V of these blocks. So I have 4 blocks here for our arrow keys. One is for up arrow, another one for down arrow, one for left arrow, and the other one for the right arrow. Select from the drop down different directions, okay, for right arrow. Then go to actions, move droid, the first one, move droid up, right? So drop it here, just Control C and Control V 3 times, okay? I'll just move it here. See, this is for the speed, right? Move droid, say 5 pixels. This is the speed with which it moves when you press arrow key, right? When you press down, so from the drop down, select down here, right? Similarly, select left here and select right here and change it to 5 pixels. 5 and 5 again. So now you can see our droid is moving, right? It's moving. Now we need to add some characters here, right? We'll make it more interesting. Go to actions, select add a stormtrooper. Also select a map here. Set blank map, right? Select and drop it here. So choose some map of your choice. Maybe grid. See when I run here, you can see there are some obstacles, right? Now we'll go to actions, select add a stormtrooper, right? Just this is a character, okay? Control C and Control V any number of times, okay? These are the number of characters here. See, one will be stormtrooper, select a different character here, rebel pilot and puffer pig and Minoc. Okay, I have 4 different characters. You can see now they're moving. Now droid will take one by one the characters, as you can see. Now we'll finish our game. For that, go to game or score. You can see here end game has been, right? For that, go to events, then select when get all characters. Now go to games, end game as win. Okay, so now you can see when a robot or a droid get all the characters, our game will end as win. I hope you enjoyed programming this. I'll see you in next session.